Okay, hi. We are going to make a quick little YouTube video here. Um, we got this cool grab bag and it says on the sticker something about, what does it say? It says Japanese happy snacks. And then it says Tono-sama gold prize. Sorry, it looks a little blurry. Tono-sama gold prize. And it says
Yum yum.
yummy yummy on it. I think it's a little hard to see that cool sticker, but it's a grab bag of snacks. So we're just going to pull one out. Do you want to pull one out?
Yeah.
But don't look, just pull anyone out.
Mystery bags of doom.
All
Okay,
right.
we have this really weird bar that obviously I've never seen before. It's not a Snickers bar.
Here, slide in here so you can. All right, it's definitely not a Snickers bar. Is it right side up? It looks like it has a little spaceman kicking a ball on it. And
Looks like a Koopa shell. I mean, like a Koopa egg.
it says
Yoshi.
BAAAAN on it, and a bunch of Japanese letters. I don't speak Japanese, do you?
No.
Alright, well, here, tear into this thing. Open it up. Let's see what it looks like.
Okay, I'm gonna snap it in half, and me and you are both gonna have a bite. If we think it's super disgusting, then we'll only have one little bite.
Okay, let's see how
It
this
looks like
thing
a
looks.
sponge.
Alright, it's looking...
Does it smell that
actually
bad?
a little bit sparkly, too.
Does it smell that bad?
It smells like a cheese curl.
Yeah, cheese curls.
It definitely smells just like a cheese curl. Alright. Oh.
It just looks like...
It's a little bit messy. Alright.
What is it called? Those little...
It's a cheese puff. That's all it is. It's a cheese curl. Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1.
It's good, but
It's sweet. And
it's not bad.
it tastes like I'm eating a buttery, sweet cheese curl.
On a stick. I mean, it has no stick, but
No stick, but stick shaped. Does it taste sweet and buttery and cheese curly at the same time? It's kind of good.
Not bad for a Japanese candy or a snack. Oh, well.
It's a happy snack.
Definitely not a candy.
Well, it's really sweet and buttery. I bet that's the exact serving that you should have. I could see an American eating 25 of these at least.
That was close.
Yeah. But I think that's the serving. Unfortunately, all of the ingredients and... I don't know why it's looking so blurry.
I'll be back in less than a second because I'm going to go wash my hands.
All the ingredients and all of the nutritional information is in Japanese characters. So yeah, the BAAAAAN was pretty good. I liked that. I could definitely eat 25 more of those.
Yeah, it's not actually that bad. I got a water too because I'm smart and I love my water. Even though I don't really like to hydrate, you can ask that to her.
Yeah, people need to hydrate. Okay, bye everybody.